friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and I'm coming to you from a place called Flying Flags Avila Beach RV Park in Northern California. And man, if you're like us, this is September, if you're like us trying to get out of the heat, we're from Arizona, you come to a place like this, you have the water surrounding you, you've got the mountains around you, you've got a high of 65 degrees during the day, 50s at night. What a great place, great scenery, great place. And so I want to walk you around here real quick and just give you a quick overview of what to expect if you came here, and I would recommend it. Before I do, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, greatly appreciate that. Now, let me quickly take you around the park.